editor. Now we will build logic with the patch editor. Show the patch editor. First, I will make the square frame and all the elements within it follow my head by clicking on the face tracker object. Interactive patch, click the Create button, Production patch. You will see Spark AR Studio automatically creating 3 patches like this. You just need to focus on the 3D position. This position is the head position. As your head moves, the square frame will move also. I will connect 3D position with Unpack to get X, Y, Z value. Then connect with X and Y. Keep Z value is 0 because I don't want the square follow my head along Z axis. Now, connect pack with frame position. Okay, cool. Let's see. The square follow my head along X and Y axis. I will make this square moving smoothing by use X smoothing vector 3 patch. Spark AR Studio provide this patch and library. Click Add Assets, then open the library window. Choose Patch Assets. View all. Find the X smoothing vector 3 patch, then import it. Drag and drop this patch into the patch editor. Then connect it like this. You can change the damping value to make it smoother to your liking. Perfect. Now I will make the logic when user press and hold record button to trigger random animation. Select camera and scene panel, then create producer patch. This patch provides events to work with the camera. First, connect video record with delay patch. When user press and hold video button, the animation will delay 0.5 seconds before run. We need pulse patch and connect with loop animation like this. Change signal connection between pulse and switch is turn on. Connect loop animation with transition patch. Change type of transition patch to number because we will connect it with frame sequence. Connect with digit 1 animation sequence frame. Because digit 1 animation sequence have 10 frames, you need to change end value to 10. I will disconnect this patch to test. Cool. Now let's do the same for digit 2 by copying the transition patch. Then connecting to digit 2. I want digit 2 to run opposite to digit 1. Let's change the start and end values. Decrease the duration value to make the animation run faster. Perfect. Now, we will make the animation stop after a few seconds. I will use the animation patch for a duration of 3 seconds. After the animation stopped, I will add a pulse effect to make it more interesting. The idea is, we will make the number scale bigger and smaller after random stop. Animation patch. Connect with transition. Add the digit scale. Final step, we will add instructions for users to press the record button to start. Select device, create instruction on opening because we only want instruction text display in the beginning. Now, go to Project, Edit Properties, Capabilities, Instruction, click Add button. Find the instruction like this. Copy and paste token here. Perfect. Now, run the filter and you will see instruction display in the beginning. Nice. Hope you can create cool random filter with this tutorial.